Number 5. What happens to the undigested portion of the food? Now, the food which is digested, it breaks in the mouth. It is broken into pieces, mixed with the saliva, and makes it soft, and goes down the food pipe. It goes into the stomach. Again, it grinds with the juice from the pancreas, bile juice from the pancreas, and makes it soft and makes it very easily grinded. The food is ground and then gone into the small intestine. In the small intestine, the food which is digested, যে খাবারটা পচে যে খাবারটা হজম হয়ে গেছে, and the walls of the small intestine, they observe it, টেনে they give it into the blood মধ্যে দিয়ে দেয়. Blood takes it to all parts of the body and gives energy. Did you understand? Now some food, কিছু খাবারটা you have to throw it. ওটা ডাইজেস্ট হয় না, হজম যেটা হয় না, ওটা কি হবে? পেটে তো রাখবো না, ওটা তো বের করে দিতে হবে. হাউ ডু ইউ রিমুভ? হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স টু দ্য আনডাইজেস্টেড পোর্শন অফ দ্য ফুড? যে খাবারটা হজম হয়নি, ওটা কী হয়? হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স? দ্য আনডাইজেস্টেড পোর্শন অফ দ্য ফুড passes into the pipe like organ called large intestine. The undigested small intestine থেকে যে খাবারটা হজম হয়নি, ওটা পুরো ফিল্টার হয়ে চলে যায় large intestine. It goes into the large intestine. The solid waste, the liquid is taken by the walls. যে লিকুইড খাবার, যে জলের মতন যে খাবারটা হয়ে গেছিলো after grinding, that is taken by the walls of the intestine, the small intestine. And the unwanted, the undigested food, it is thrown into the large intestine. Did you understand? আবার একটা intestine, small intestine, আবার একটা large intestine আছে. It is thrown into that. ওই খাবারটা large intestine চলে যায়. ওটা পেটে থাকে না কেন, ওটা তো এখন পচে যাবে পেটে থাকলে, তো it has to and passes through a opening. And you go in the morning, you pass stool there, morning and all, সকালে সকালে তোমরা ওইটা বের করে দাও, through a opening. একটা এর মধ্যে you remove the food out. Did you all understand? Now how you will do the action? The undigested food, the undigested portion of the food passes through a pipe called large intestine. That the solid waste that remain passes into the body through a opening. It passes to the large intestine and then it is thrown out through a opening. Did you understand? So what you will say? The undigested food portion of the food passes into a pipe called large intestine, and the solid waste that remains, solid waste that remains, it passes out through the body through a opening. Now I'll come back to the next one.